How do you say in proper Russian, how many are you? Or she's out of office today. Or I wasn't in class yesterday. Well, in the West, people talk a lot about using appropriate gender pronouns these days. In Russian, we have our own special rules, not for the gender, but for the case of pronouns. And there are some pretty surprising things I'm gonna tell you in this video. For example, if you are in New York and you wanna call a Russian restaurant and reserve a table for tonight, and you speak naturally Russian, they're gonna ask you, how many are you? But they wouldn't use вы for you, but вас, сколько вас, because сколько means talking about the number, quantity, and that always is genitive case in Russian. And your answer should be нас два человека, or нас три человека, or нас пять человек. There are 5 of us, or there are 3 of us. And of is genitive, as you know. Same thing happens in negative constructions, like she's out of office would be ее нет на работе. It's not она, it's ее. Она на работе? Нет, ее нет на работе. Or you can say, вчера меня не было в школе, и я не знаю домашние задания. I wasn't in class yesterday is меня вчера не было в школе, and therefore I haven't done my homework. And you do it not only when you talk about people, but also about things, like, where is my money? It's not here anymore. Где мои деньги? Их здесь больше нет. Or let's say there is a secret organization, and we don't know how many they are. Есть секретная организация, и никто не знает, сколько их. Not они, once again, их. Или смотрите, здесь много цветов. Я даже не знаю, сколько их. Спасибо, что посмотрели. Это короткое видео, потому что, чтобы снимать видео, нужно время, а у меня его мало. So, if you want to understand how it works and have good practice with these pronouns, please subscribe to Active Russian Grammar and Master Grammar the easy and fun way.